What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and I am out here getting ready to work on this Pro stance. As y'all can see, I got a little bit more accomplished on my trailer. Got the front on, got the top part of the front on. Let me show y'all from this angle. Y'all can see from the front. Got my racks there. I'm thinking about getting a third sign. I'm definitely getting two signs on the side. Might get a third sign for the front, but that's what we're doing. But no, that's not what we're doing. This is what we're doing right here. As you can see, I tried to get up under there, and like I said, the belt is like shredded. It's shredded, so I can't even tell which way or how it goes, and so I could just cut it and pull it out, but I want to see if I can figure out like how it went, you know, so when I go get the new one, I can kind of know what's going on. So I'm trying to get it up on these ramps. It's easy to push forward because you got the pad and everything to push it, but pushing it this way is kind of rough, especially up on these ramps. So got good old Mustang right here. Give her a good old tug, see if we get this bad boy up on the ramps. Yes, sir. Well, that didn't work. Huh. Just got an idea. Hold tight. Alright, people. When one machine doesn't work, you use another. So I attached it to my Magnum. Only thing I'm worried about is the angle. I know y'all said, Steph, why don't you just move the trailer out the way, or why don't you just use your truck? I don't feel like it. I'm lazy. So I'm hoping that it'll get it up on the ramps before it starts to touch the trailer as I pull up. We shall see. Alright, people, it's been a couple of days. As you can see, the mower is still in the same spot, still got the strap hooked to it. So when I cut it, when I pulled it, as you can see, that bad boy is shredded to a T. So I got it up here on these. About to get up under here. Has it been a week? I don't think it's been a week. I think I did this last weekend. But anywho, as you can see, the ground's still wet. That's the reason I haven't really got to it, because it's been raining off and on every other day. And over here it's like real muddy, so I'm gonna get up on here, see if I can figure out how this thing's supposed to go. Once I do that, I'll probably just cut the old one off and then put the new one on. Yes, sir. Yeah. So I done spent the last 2 hours trying to get this belt on, and I finally got it on, right? Oh my gosh. So basically right now I'm putting it back together. After I done spent 2 hours trying to put this thing together so I can use it to go out here and cut today, my freaking dealer calls me and says, oh yeah, your ProTurn's all ready to go. And I'm like, well, how much did it cost? $72. What? I will be up there right now. But anywho, I got this bad boy all put together. Well, not all put together. I got the belt on. Let me show y'all the belt. Man, this belt was a pain in the rear end. So this is the drive belt here. This is the tension pulley. I don't know what you call this pulley. It's just a back pulley. The thing that was a pain was this freaking tension spring. Man, if you notice, there's nowhere to pull the freaking spring. So I had to take the tire off just to use a little nook and cranny to get a strap in there to hook on that spring to get it off. And then they had a wire up there that runs to the freaking clutch. And that's the whole reason, the clutch is the whole reason my other lawnmower was in the shop. So you know I won't take the clutch off. So the only other option I had to figure out how to get this harness wire off, which was like, they must have like super glued it. That took me like legit 30 minutes to get that plug undone. Oh, buddy. So now I'm in the process of putting the blades belt back on, because I had to take that off just to get oh buddy. So let me get this belts and everything back on. I'm gonna give it a test run. Oh yes sir. All right people, so got it back together. So now the big question is, will it move? Because that was the whole purpose I was doing all this, to get that drive belt going. So first I'm gonna see will it move, cut it on, see will it move, and then make sure everything else works. Shoot, might help if I had the key. All right. Well, the drive belt's on good, but I think I put the blade belt on wrong or something. It looked like two pulleys are close together, so I'm gonna fix that. Then I'm gonna go get my mower, and y'all probably see that on the next vlog. I miss that thing so much. I don't have to stand up anymore. Thanks for watching. comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.